Hello there and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. So I've recently been thrifting and I've been finding some holiday decor, most of which I have to share with you today. I think everything, but like one thing is either Halloween or Christmas related, which I think is absolutely fabulous. So without further ado, let's just jump into today's haul, which is going to be short and sweet, which is always nice. So we'll start with Halloween because that is the closest holiday. I went to Goodwill with my daughter Z, and she picked out this cute little ghost figure. I think it holds is supposed to be a candle holder, but we figured we could either put a candle in it or like candy or something. And she just thought it was so adorable. She wants to put it on the kitchen counter, and I was like, all right, I like that. Let's go for it. It was only $2.99, so I thought that was a great little find. And then, I don't know if I've ever showed you, but for Halloween, like Halloween night when the trick-or-treaters are coming and stuff, I like to use the plastic light-up pumpkins, and I like line them up on like my porch or steps or whatever. So I'm always on the lookout for unique-looking pumpkins that I can use for that. Well, I found one. This one was $3. Like $3.14 or something like that, a little under $4, and it looks like this. Isn't he cute? He's so adorable. Maybe I guess you could consider him a squash or a gourd. I'm not really sure, but I just thought he was cute and definitely unique. I don't have anything else like this, so I'm super excited to add this to my little decor for Halloween night. So I have one thing that is not holiday related, but I could use it for that. I actually saw one like this maybe a month or so ago, and I passed it up because I was buying a whole bunch of other stuff, and I really didn't think I needed it. But then I saw a similar one again, and I was like, I'm not passing it up, because I kept thinking about it. I'm like, oh, I should have got that. I should have got that. But I didn't. But now I did, and I'm so excited. It's just a simple candle holder with these cute little legs. Isn't this adorable? I just love it. I think it is so cool. It holds a pillar candle. I paid $2.99 for it. It was originally $3.99, but it was, the discount day. So I am just thrilled. I love it. I think it is so cool. I think this would be really nice on like my bedside table or something like that. Just a little something to dress up the candle, and I just love it. I don't know why I love it so much, but I totally do. So I was super excited to find another one since I passed up that original one, and I was like kicking myself for it. So this one's kind of silly, but I just couldn't pass it up. I found some garland. I actually found 2 bags of it. They were $1.49 each, and they are like plastic garland that looks like popcorn and cranberries. Like this. Isn't that just so fun? I just could not pass it up. They had like 8 bags of it there. And I was like, okay. At first I wasn't going to get it. And then I'm like, you know what? I've always wanted to do popcorn and cranberries, but I just never do it. I mean, seriously, who's got the time to string popcorn and cranberries? So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get these. If nothing else, I'll use them in my tacky Christmas area this year. And I don't know. I think it's fun. It would be really fun in like a doorway too or something like that. Kind of mixed with other garland. I think it would kind of be fun. So, I don't know. So I picked up 2 bags, and I think they're about 6 or 8 foot lengths. So that'll be good. Alright, so then I found 2 more bags of garland, you guys. They were each $1.99, and they're in this gorgeous pink color. These things are glass, I do believe, because they're super heavy. I'm going to open one of them here. They're super heavy. And they're somewhat like, look at that. So pretty. And they're not just like one color. Or they're kind of faded. So they're got, a bright pink and a pale pink to them. And I just think they're super cool. I don't typically use pink in my Christmas decor, but I'm going to make it work somehow because I think they're so cool. I thought about maybe using this to make some of those little trees, if you know what I mean, like the beaded trees. thought maybe that might be a good way to use it. I'm not really sure, but I just couldn't pass them up. I threw these in the cart like right away because they're not vintage at all, but they've got that vintage look to them, and the color, you guys, is fabulous. So I'm loving that. Then the very last thing that I picked up was another item that I found at Goodwill when I found the ghost when I was shopping with Z, and it is a cute little Christmas tin for $1.99. Isn't it sweet? I just love the horse and sleigh motif. I think that is so cool. I don't know what it's for, but it does have these cute little designs on the side as well, all the way around, and they're all just kind of slightly different, and I think it is so cute. I just love it. So I will be using this somehow in my decor as well. I love finding tins like this for my, that will go with my decor, because then I can store Christmas items in it, which is awesome. So it's a 2-for-1. So great to have found that for sure. So that is my haul for today. Like I said, super short and sweet, but some really good items this week for sure. I would love to know what you think down in the comments. Let me know what you found lately at the thrift stores. And of course, hit that thumbs up button. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye now.